Welcome back to my travel vlog video, every travelers in the world. So today I want to make a short video around 8 minutes or 10 minutes. I want to show you uh, one of Bali spa, a recommendation for me that you can visit and do spa here. Of course, depends of your budget, yeah. In Bali we have so many spa and massage place, so this is one of the recommendation from me, and then I will show you how is inside the spa. Follow my video. Thank you. Cantik bang, dekat sana bisa link. So guys, this is the view of the pyramid spa. You can do reflexology only, or full body massage, or many different packages in the spa. So I want to show you the view of this spa inside. So this is the fish pond, guys. So many fish, right and left side. So beautiful place here. So many rooms, left and right side. for spa. So this is the original footage that you can see. So in left right side here is the room for spa. You can do a couple for one room, or one person one room also can. But if you prefer, like if you are husband and wife or couple, you can do one room for two people. Okay, this is the end room. Okay, now I will walk back and see the view. So besides spa and massage, you can get as well. We have a cafe, the wine as well here, wine shop. View very nice, surrounded by peaceful and garden. Well, that's all, guys. Thank you very much for watching my video. I will see you in the next my Bali travel vlog video. Thank you and bye bye. On the top there is a cafe, guys. This is for reflexology. This is reception, lobby. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.